Another big story we're following tonight is the FDA is now on track to fully approve Pfizer's 2-dose COVID vaccine on Monday. This is according to a report in the New York Times.
The long-anticipated announcement would make Pfizer's shot the very first to receive full approval from the federal government. KRON 4's Gail Ong, she's live for us in the newsroom with a little reaction now from health experts. Gail.
Vicki, Justine, health experts are excited about this and say once it's officially approved for full use, it's going to open a lot of doors.
That very fact will lead to likely a large hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people getting the vaccine, because you're talking about many organizations.
UCSF infectious disease expert Dr. Peter Chin-Hong says major organizations, employers, and the military were waiting for full FDA approval of the COVID vaccine. According to a report from the New York Times Friday, full FDA approval for the Pfizer vaccine could come as early as Monday. Pfizer's application for full approval submitted in late May includes the latest data from a large study that tracked participants 16 and older for 6 months after their second dose. The vaccine is given to people as young as 12, and Pfizer also intends to submit data needed for full approval in that age group.
The full approval by the FDA means that there is enough data at this time, both in terms of efficacy as well as safety. They require at least 6 months of data, and that's what the companies are required to give them.
Health experts are optimistic that could persuade those still unvaccinated to line up for their shots.
I'm delighted with this. I've understood why people have been hesitant. You know, I wasn't hesitant because I know the data really well, but I understand a lot of people are really hesitant about it, and they wanted to see the full FDA approval, not just an emergency use authorization.
Back in June, a survey from the Kaiser Family Foundation found that 3 in 10 unvaccinated adults said they'd be more likely to get the vaccine if one were fully approved. UC Berkeley infectious disease expert Dr. John Schwartzberg adds some may not change their minds.
The people who are just completely opposed to vaccination, the anti-vaxxers, it's not going to move them one iota. But they're the real small minority. And this larger group of people who are hesitant, this is going to help most of them make the decision to get vaccinated, which is going to help the rest of the country and the world.
And health experts say the Moderna vaccine will likely follow a few months after Pfizer's shot. Live in the newsroom, Gail Ong, KRON 4 News.